We have created the dashboard. Go to the reports and analytics. Browse catalog. My folder. Then go down. Shade folder, right? We have put the shade folder. HTML dashboard. Okay. This is not ours. That is not ours, right? This one is. Okay. Now run the dashboard. So in my dashboard, like we have a three views, right? Options by manager data, options by department data, and the graph view is there. So client wants to see individually each and some tabs will be there. For example, the requirement is like this, guys. The requirement is add multiple tabs in HMX. Add multiple tabs in HMX. Tab 1. Let's say, for example, it is a full view. Full view manager options view. Department options as view. Full view manager options as view, department options as view. Full view manager options as view, department options as view, and graph view. So this is the tabs we need to display in the report, in the dashboard. Sorry, we need to add the multiple tabs. Dashboard. First full view, it will come all the data. Means all the reports and graphs. And second view, manager options view will be have only for this manager data. And options department view will have a options data. Graph view will have a separate data will be. Means last three tabs will be separate report, separate reports. In the full view, it will have all the data, all the reports data. So that is the requirement, guys. So you all know, right, what is in my tab. So I can tabs I'll show you. Tabs I wanted to show you. Somewhere I have my client groups.
Go to other.
My client group. Okay, I'll show you how the it will come like this, guys. In the dashboard, if you see output, it is coming only one, right? It will show the tabs here. Tab, first tab, second tab, third tab, fourth tab. So first tab press, this will come. Second tab press, the only manager data will come. Third tab press, this will come. Fourth tab press, this will come. So we have to design the HTML extract like that. So how to do that? Go to the catalog. Go to the catalog. Go to the catalog. You have to go to the dashboard. Go to the dashboard and edit. Go to the dashboard and edit. And hmm. Oh, so this is the first tab. You can consider this is the first tab. So there is an option called plus option. Add dashboard page. Add dashboard page. Add dashboard page. Add dashboard page. So second page name will be this manager options. Click on it. It will come like that. Hmm? Drag and drop the column here. Drag and drop the column. Like save. Hmm? So click on dashboard page. Click on dashboard page. This is for third view. Click on dashboard page. If I click this dashboard page, here it will come the entry. So see here. If I click here, add dashboard page, it will give the entry. So after adding the page name, it will give the entry. So what you will do, you add the department view. So then after that you can see like this. Then after that you can do like this. Share the changes. Hmm? So after that, what you will do, you go here, click on create, add dashboard page. Manager options view, department view, and another one is
Graph.
graph. Graph. Hmm? In the graph, you also can drag and drop the column. And what you will do, you come here. Okay, so there are four views. The first view is the full view. Second view is the manager options view. Third view this one. Fourth view this one. See the changes. Understand or not? Hmm? If you want to change this name, for example, this is page one, it is coming right. I want to change this name. How to change? Go to the settings. Go to the settings here. Go to the tools or settings, both are same. Dashboard properties. Select this page one, rename. Page one, rename. Full system display. Click on OK. Save the changes. See, now if you see full view, this is called tabs. Tab, first tab, second tab, third tab, fourth tab. So in the full view, client will see like that. So he wants to see only manager data, then he will see like this. If he wants to see only department data, then he will see like that. So this kind of requirements will come in the dashboard.
Mamshi, how you change this full view name as full
Huh?
view name? How you rename that page one as full view? Where the properties option is there?
I will show you once again.
Go to settings.
Go to the settings. So go to the tools or settings, both are same, dashboard properties. Select this one, rename. Here.
Okay, got it.
Okay, guys. So this is the dashboard related requirements will come often. So dashboard main requirement is how to give the dependency between first parameter to second parameter. How to give the dependency between first parameter to second parameter. That I have done. And based on the dashboard prompts, how we are going to restrict the data in the second manager and department. That also we have done yesterday. And in the dashboard, one more requirement we have discussed. If there is no data, I want to display custom message. If there is no data, we have displayed the custom message. That is also we have done. Next to fourth requirement, tabs. How to display multiple tabs in the dashboard. How to display multiple tabs in the dashboard.
Vamshi, these tabs are like depends upon the dashboard. It is displaying for every dashboard when you create it. These tabs, how many we will get? How many we can create it? Depends upon the dashboard or else predefined.
Client will tell how many tabs you need to create. This is just example purpose I have shown 4, but client will tell based on that only we have to add the tabs here. Depends on the client requirement, I can say. So after we done this one, right? So the important point is how we are going to map this dashboard into home page. How we are going to map this dashboard into home page. So in the home page, let's say for example, in the my client group, I'm going to add the dashboard here. There is a one standard icon will be there. My dashboard icon will be there. In the my dashboard icon, we are going to add our dashboard. That means end user will be open this dashboard without coming to here shared folder. They will open the dashboard from here. So how we are going to map your dashboard into home page in one of the icon. So that I am going to show now. Just 1 minute, guys. Okay. Display the dashboard. To home page. Display the dashboard into home page. So if you want to display the dashboard into home page, we have a concept called sandbox. We have a concept called sandbox.
Can we restrict the tabs to the end users? Means end user need to only manager
it is possible, or when it is we are showing all the tabs.
All the tabs it is coming, right? That
No,
you
no,
are the
what I'm
requirement,
saying
right?
is, if it is end user requirement, we have developed all these tabs. Okay, only end user is requiring only one tab to be displayed for one user. Is it possible?
For one user,
Yeah, what I'm saying, we have developed all the 4 views, right? But only the end user is asking only one view.
then you can remove, na?
Okay.
Remove, na?
Not for removing, for giving any access permissions.
Permission we can do for full dashboard. For example, if you see here, you can give the permission for total dashboard here. But separate tabs, I don't think so. We can use separate users to give access to only for that user. But I am not sure whether we can give the tabs or not, but we will verify now.
Okay. Means what you have developed,
Understand?
you can do everything to the end user only. You cannot restrict the.
No, wait, let me verify. Okay.
Okay.
Here there is these are all the tabs pages, right?
Yes.
Okay, so you have to check the option here whether it is there or not.
Hide page is there now.
Hide is there, but it will be hide for every user. Now he's asking for separate user, separate tabs he wants to show. That is what is requirement.
Yes.
I think we need to do some kind of research on that. We will see that. Okay. But
Okay.
as per my knowledge, there is no here security option in there.
Okay. For check, what I'm saying, manager can view only the data of the department, right? I need like if can't ask like that requirement. I'm saying department
You are,
only see the data.
you are telling that sometime you are telling that tabs will be hide. Sometime you are telling data
Yes.
will be hide.
Yes.
Tabs will be hide or data will be hide? Tell me.
Data and tabs, no, because manager can view the department data, but department cannot view the manager data, no.
Yeah, that is what you are asking first question, na?
Yes, that only.
So there is no security option here. So what you can do, there is a workaround is there. So what you can do, you create 2 dashboards.
Okay.
You create 2 dashboard. First dashboard you can use full view, manager view, full view and manager view.
Okay.
And second dashboard, full view, department view you can view like that.
Okay.
So that is the only workaround.
There is no dependence.
There is
We
no
cannot dependency. We cannot
dependency
depend.
coming, na? Dependency coming right here. Dependency coming right here. So if you select this one, first view. Dependency means I am not understanding dependency.
What I'm saying, we click on manager, no, we'll see the department data like that.
We have achieved now here. So when I select the US one, the related data coming right here. Yes, one. So it is coming US1 data, right? Same like you have a manager. So you can give the restriction for the, if I select the manager related, the related department. I think we already done one of the requirement, right? In hyperlink.
Okay, with using hyperlink you're saying.
Using hyperlink we can do that.
Okay.
One of the requirement I have covered that.
Vamshi. One small clarification. See, for suppose this particular report dashboard will be displayed into the home page as an icon, right? This particular dashboard report icon will be placed into the home page. But some of the users, normal users, will have some of the roles, not full access roles, will not get the full access roles. Only employee role only he can able to access.
That we will do now in the sandbox. I will show you that.
Right. So employee cannot see all these details, all these data.
We have a restriction sandbox security profiles option, security context option is there.
There we have a security, not in the dashboard.
Huh?
The sandbox only we have a security options, right?
Expression, we have tried the EL expression. That I will cover in the EL expressions topic.
Okay.
That I will cover in the EL expression topic.
In report level also we can give permissions, right?
Report level we can do permission. I told you right here. Go to the catalog. So any report we have a permission option in there. So if you look at this one, any report, if you take more permission, so I can give only for separate users to access this report. So what you can do, click on you click on plus here. You can mention the users. For example, dev34 only can access this user report.
Okay.
So these are all I will cover, guys. But if people are very hurry, so you select this one. So I can give only for dev34 to access this report. This and all I will cover, guys.
And also report also should be placed on the front application, even though that is important, right? Even how you are placing dashboard on the front page, even the report also should be placed on the same front page.
Yeah. If you place in the dashboard report also you can place, right? So now what I will do, let me concept called sandbox. So using the sandbox, we can add your dashboard into home page. So now first we have to enable the sandbox. We have to enable the sandbox. How to enable the sandbox? So let's go to the configuration sandboxes. Configuration sandboxes. Configuration sandboxes. Configuration sandboxes. So create the sandbox. Configuration sandbox, create sandbox. Configuration sandbox, create sandbox. Configuration. So what I will do here, I will add, so mostly we are going to use application composer, appearance, structure, and page integration and page composer. So remaining things also there, but I have not used. Application composer, appearance, structure, page integration, and page composer. For this requirement, we will have structure required. For this requirement, we require structure. So because we are configuring the icons, right? We are configuring the icon, that is the reason structure required, and page composer required. So we are editing the page. So that is the reason I added in the future examples we will cover application composer, appearances, and page integrations. So for now, for this requirement, we have only structure and page composer. So name I will give. You can give any name, guys. This one you can give any name. I will give the name as July12 sandbox. First, first come to the screen. How you will come to the screen? Configuration. Configuration sandbox, create sandbox, the screen will come, then structure, page composer, create and enter. So when I press the create and enter, in the top side, one yellow bar will come. So when I press the create and enter, in the top, it will come one yellow bar. So that indicates you have enabled the sandbox. You have enabled the sandbox. That indicates you have enabled the sandbox. Create and enter. So this is the yellow bar will come. So now if you look at this one in the in the sandbox, how many we have enabled? 2 enabled, right? So it will come like this, structure and page composer. If you want to add one more also, you can add in the sandbox. So once again, I will tell you that sandbox is a mechanism to do the look and feel changes in the home page or in the page level or anything. If you want to do any kind of look and feel changes, background color changes, some kind of field, like for example, I want to rename the fields. I want to rename these tabs. So, and I want to hide some fields in the application. So those and all will be taken care by Sandbox. So in this example, we are covering mapping the dashboard into home page. Mapping the dashboard into home page. So for that, what you will do here, let's say, first we have to go to structure. First we enable the my dashboard here. First we have to enable the my dashboard, because by default my dashboard is a hidden mode. So we have to enable the my dashboard in the any of the tabs. So which tab you want to add, that will tell by client. That will tell by client. So you can add any of the group here. So normally our HCM related will be there in the my client group. So we will add the my dashboard into my client group. We'll add the my dashboard into my client group. So what I will do, let me go to the tools structure. Tools structure. Tools structure. Tools structure. So what I will do, so you search here my dashboard. By default it is hide mode. Okay, so what you will do, search here. Search here. Search here. You search the so go to the my dashboard here. Go to the my dashboard, click on my dashboard. So you see here spring on show on navigator, it is hide, right? No means it is not displaying. What you will do, you put the S here. You put the S here. This my dashboard where you want to display. This my dashboard where you want to display. So which group you want to display? So I want to display in my client group. I want to display in the my client group. Okay, save and close. Save and close. Save and close. So now what will happen? Your my dashboard will be displaying the home page.
Vamsi, can you show once again?
These all the steps.
No, only my dashboard.
Okay. Okay. So if you want to show once again, go to the tools, go to the structure. Tools, structure. So there is an option called search. You search here, my dashboard. You search here. Search my dashboard. And previously it was show on navigator. No here, but I put the SS here and save and close. And I have moved the my dashboard to my client group. Okay, now guys. Or do you want to show complete remove and you want to show once again also? I can show. Those who asked the question, just at least respond, guys.
No, Vamsi.
Guys, just one request, guys. Whenever you ask any question, if you are clarifying, just say okay or something, yes or something, you can respond. Otherwise, how I know that whether you are following or not?
Vamsi,
So,
in that
yeah.
options, after selecting this my dashboard, we have some options, right? Page name, navigator, shown spring boot. At the bottom, we have some more fields that they are giving some links. What are that?
Okay. This one,
the focus VID. These are all by
this
default.
is the standard page, na? This is my dashboard page. This is the names. So while
by
they
default,
create the
commit, right?
Huh?
By default, it will automatically forward that values, right?
Yeah, we cannot edit also. This is standard my dashboard page.
Okay, fine.
So now go to the home page. So here, if you look at this one, you will see my dashboard here. You will see the my dashboard. So if you click on my dashboard, click on my dashboard. So this is the standard dashboard page there. So what we will do on top of this standard dashboard page, we will display our custom dashboard. So what you will do, go to the tools. Now this time you have to go for a page composer. This time you have to go to the page composer. Tools, page composer. So this navigation is very difficult, guys. You just watch the video once again so that you will understand. Okay. So there is an option called add content. So first tools, page composer, add content. Tools, page composer, add content. Add content. So when I press the add content, it will navigate to the reports and analytics. Click on open. BI presentation server. BI presentation server, shared folder. Shared folder. HCM dashboard. Opening. So here everything is coming there. Your report is coming, your dashboard is coming, everything is coming. But since we are doing the dashboard, right? You select the dashboard here. Click on add. Click on add. First go to the tools, page composer, add content. So you have to browse this folder here. Add. Click on it. So now you adjust the layout here. Okay. So now we added the dashboard into home page. Sorry, in the my dashboard. So close the page composer. So you added that. You close the page composer. Close the composer. See, there is an option called close composer. So if you see home page, if you see the home page now, you will see the icon, my dashboard. You will able to see your dashboard. Did you observe? Like this.
Yes, sir.
So in this view, end user will not have option to development tools, development options not available. He will see only output here. So if you look at this one, if you open the dashboard, there are some options, right? So that option he will not see. He will see only for output. So this is the way we can give our OTBI reports for the end user access. One is through agent that I already shown. Second one is this one. Third one is infolets. Our next topic. So here you are able to see this one, right? But this my dashboard currently you can access only for Dev34 user. Dev34 user. Why? Because we have created the sandbox in the Dev34 user. But this my dashboard will be applicable for all the users in the company. All the users in the company. For example, if you have any user in the this Dev34 instance, you can check. You will not able to see this my dashboard now. So if you have any user in the Dev34 instance, you will not able to see my dashboard option here. My dashboard option you will not see. So this my dashboard option should see for every user from the company. Then sorry guys. So then what you will do, you have to go for publish. Publish the sandbox. So once you publish the sandbox, whatever you have done the changes, that changes will be applicable for the application level. And users also can access this my dashboard. Okay, so one disadvantage is here. One disadvantage is once you publish the sandbox, whatever you have done the changes, right? Whatever you have done the changes for this June 12 sandbox cannot do any modifications. So once you publish the sandbox, so in the June 12 sandbox, you cannot edit. So once you publish the sandbox, that will be applicable for all the users. After that, you cannot edit this June 12 sandbox. So click on publish. Click on publish. Sandbox. Create sandbox. Add the structure on the page composer. Add the structure on page composer that required for dashboard map, that required for dashboard mapping. After that required for dashboard mapping. Example, my dashboard. Enable the my dashboard and move to my client group. Enable the my dashboard and move to my client group. Then using the page composer and use the add content option to add the dashboard into home page. So using the page composer, add content option to add the dashboard into home page. Using the page composer, use the add content option to add the page composer. Then final step is publish the sandbox. Publish the sandbox. Yes. So go to the June 12 sandbox. There is an option called publish. This window will be open. Click on yes. So now these are all the changes we have done for this sandbox. June 12 sandbox. This many changes are there. So if you want to download the sandbox, you can download. That is possible. And when you want to migrate to other instance, you can use the download all option. So I will tell you last class for the how to download and how to see these changes in the local system. For now, you can publish. So once you publish, once again I'm telling you, this sandbox you cannot do any changes. So before publish only, whatever you want, you can do any changes. So once publish, you cannot do any changes in the sandbox. Even you cannot delete also. You can't publish.
After some time, maybe users want some changes in the same dashboard, right? Report, right?
I will tell you the workaround, okay? Don't worry. I will tell you the workaround. I am telling about June 12 sandbox, you cannot do any changes, but workaround is there, I will tell you.
Okay.
Workaround is there, I will tell you. So published. So current strategy is published. Done. Now, if you look at the you will not see available sandbox, your June 12 sandbox. June 12, whatever the sandbox I have created, right, that you will not see here. So you see the published sandboxes. June 12 is the published sandboxes. So even you click here, nothing will be there here. Understand, right? So now if you look at this one, home page, you see the my client group, my client group, you will see the my dashboard. And if anyone have a user in the Dev 34 instance, you can see my dashboard. You are able to see your report here. Like this. So, for example, client will ask to remove. Client will ask to remove some changes here, or maybe they want to, they don't want to this dashboard to be displayed. They don't want to this dashboard should be displayed in the my dashboard. So because you publish, right? So you cannot do any changes in the existing sandbox. So the workaround is once sandbox published, we cannot edit and delete the existing sandbox. Existing sandbox, we cannot edit and delete. So what is the workaround? We have to create new sandbox. We have to create new sandbox. We have to create new sandbox. Delete the changes. We have to create the new sandbox. Name is June 12 A sandbox. Delete the changes in June 12 A sandbox and publish the June 12 A sandbox. This is the only workaround is there. Delete the changes happened in June 12 sandbox. Delete the changes happened in June 12 A sandbox from June 12 A sandbox. And then publish the June 12 A sandbox. Understand, right? So yesterday also I faced this question. I'm just sharing this one to you. Understand, right?
In this case, every time you need to create the new sandbox, right? If you want to do any changes in the existing.
Yeah, there is no option. Oracle not given that option after publishing. After publishing only.
Yeah, after publishing only. Okay.
Whatever the restriction we provide in the permission level, it will be applicable in sandbox level also.
Yeah.
Okay, we don't have any customization in sandbox level.
Yes.
Permissions.
Yes.
I mean, okay, whatever the permission we need to provide in report level.
Yeah.
Okay.
Now,
one more thing, can we use this dashboard applicable only for these users? Can we restrict like that?
That is, I told you, Kumar asked the same question. EL expression. We have EL expression is here.
Okay.
We have EL expressions are there. Using EL expressions, we can do.
Okay.
So now let's do this one quickly. We will delete and let's see. Okay, first create the new new sandbox. Something like go to sandbox.
Check is there, Vamshi, to unpublish that once it is published.
Once published.
If it is published, is there any checkbox is there to that unpublish again?
That option not there. I told you, no.
No changes we cannot do, but even unpublish also we cannot do that.
Once published, we cannot do any changes, unpublish or delete or edit. Nothing is possible.
Okay.
Sandbox.
And one more, Vamshi, in that we have a multiple dashboards. How can we do that? Multiple dashboards are there to that particular user. Front page, it is coming that dashboard, right? Whatever you showed, that dashboard you are seeing. If at all that particular user have a multiple dashboards, so how it will show that one by one? Is there any page, or how can you display multiple dashboards?
You can add. There is add content is coming, na. Add content, we can add using add content, we can add multiple dashboards in one.
Where is that add content? In that dashboard level, or else our report level dashboard?
Dashboard level only we have add content. I told you right here.
Page content.
There is add content option.
Okay.
So using the page composer, use the add content option to add the dashboard. By using add content, you can add n number of dashboards.
Any number of dashboards. Okay.
I will show you now.
I think you can share it.
June 12 A sandbox. Page Composer. Click on create and
In the report also you showed that permissions, right, Vamshi? Permissions. You can select the user in that. You can select a only particular user, or else we can select multiple users in that.
multiple users also we can add. Yeah, multiple users also we can. Security concept I will tell you guys. Don't worry. Security
Okay,
concept
later.
I will cover. Yeah, later I will show you security. Report level security I will show you. No?
Okay.
So now what are rules? Okay, go to the whatever the changes we have done, right? Go to the page composer. Sorry, not put the close. I'm deleting, right? Go to the my dashboard. Tools. Page composer. Tools page composer. So there is add content option to add n number of dashboards. Okay, no?
Okay, Vamshi. Add content, yes.
So now I am deleting. Delete. Close. Close the page composer.
You're
I have deleted
deleting
in that.
entire dashboard, right, Vamsi? Enter whatever added in the dashboard.
Yeah, I deleted. I deleted now. Whatever the dashboard added, I deleted. And now I am publishing the June 12 sandbox. June 12 sandbox I am publishing. Click on yes. Publish. So in the my dashboard, you will see, you will not see your dashboard. Whatever the dashboard you added, right? That you will not see. Because we have deleted and we have published. So this is the way if you want to do any changes, you can do from here. I'm stopping for today, guys. Tomorrow I will continue.
Thank you, Vamshi.